man guys, wagwan. Best of tune into our next video. I really appreciate it. Today a Sunday, right? I'm say more and do my share chicken different than normal. It's alright, but I roast it. But when I roast it in a fire paper, I do it in a banana leaf. Yeah man. I show you a next style of cooking today. You see me? So I season it up like normal. You know, put on me onion, scallion, thyme, garlic and all that. I beat it and put it on it, right? And wrap it in the banana leaf. See like you do. Blue jars and put it in the jerk pan. Same way, you see me? Because I make a total same speed. So I don't throw everything in the jerk pan. Yeah. So today we're gonna also see how we put pudding, tomato and them things in a jerk pan, because at the same effect like a oven, you know. But I don't know, say the oven is a much more controlled environment, right? So that's what I do today. I want to leave a like on the video. I want to comment below and tell me what you think about this style of cooking. I want to share the video. Share it out, man. Help me grow, man. Share the video, man. Share it out. Get other people to know about me and know about the channel and this type of cooking. I want to follow the IG, Jeff876 and Yasta Adventures. The two link down below in the description, to the scroll down, click it and me follow up on them, you see me? Yeah, man. The chicken season already for morning by me, mommy. So I'm gonna do just take out my share and start up, you see me? So I start with the season now and things, so I bring along the journey with me, so come show you what I go on. Yeah man guys, so see you oven here. No, the jerk pan. I really oven. You want to see the jerk pan here. Right? Some coal in it, I'll light it and all that. So we soon get to light in this. So I want everything first and then we light it. I know I light it and the coal burn out, you see me, because I don't have much coal, so I light it when I need it. Yeah man guys, you see, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, again ginger, and I have some scallion already cooked in this, and pimento. So I cut up everything in this and then I beat it with I brought in the back here, so I can see what I go on. Alright guys, so I try now to beat because I don't have a mortar and things, so I use I have to beat up. That take a time, but you don't have. Make it easier to put some blender and burn everything, but more show now here. So I'm going, you know guys. That take a time, you know, but I'm going to beat. I'm going to beat it out as much as possible. Yeah man guys, so this is it, you know. So I'm going to look the banana leaf now. Yeah man, banana leaf now. I think we need so much for this leg and a wing. So if I don't give mother the remainder, yeah, put in the fire pot. So I have enough leaf. I have more than enough leaf. You know, so I'll just put off down here. Alright guys, I add a little sugar to it. Yeah, and please note, this is I do at the first time I do it, and I think about it and add things when I feel like say would that be good in it. You see me? Yeah man. So what I do, this type of cooking, I nearly have the proportion of the ingredients them for I put in them. I just add just good judgment and add what me add in it, you see me? Yeah man, and most of the time I cook, I don't have no ingredients at the proportion. I just add the ingredients in it. So yeah, so I mix it now, rub it in the chicken and all that. Alright guys, so I add a little barbecue sauce tonight because I don't still, but you know. a little barbecue sauce on it. Look how the chicken's getting time too. That me done. Just do one stick and I don't have two. Barbecue sauce done, guys. So alright, so my wrap up is a no. So guys, that type of scene like a type blue jar. See you like a blue jar. Yeah man. So it's ready to go on the grill now. See how going guys, the cold catch but it's more kind of crumpy. And that rain and fall. You see me? So I'm blow up it. Fan it up. I want to catch good, then add in some more coal, lock it down, keep pan heat up. Then we throw in everything ready. Yeah man guys, so put everything right now. Yeah, my chicken right here, so I'm gonna say take like a blue jars, yeah. And small piece of breadfruit here for me yesterday, I put in our soup. So it's a remainder, so I roast it and fry it. And then later and I'll eat the same in the roast. I'm not sure. Yeah man, but Jamaican style, you know? Not now, yes. In the country. And maybe the total here. Well, some more at total, you know, because but typical can meal nice, same way, you see me? And butter night time thing there. Yeah man. And who never seen me make the toast before, can go back and watch me a video, because I did a video on this already of my total. Yeah man. You can do, I can leave the link to that video in the description, so who never see me the total can go back and look on that, you see me? And the total now, I just the coconut ash and flour, baking powder, and the spices, you don't know, put ginger in it too, can put rose water, vanilla of course, and them things, I don't know anything, so I saw link back one time, the progress of going with that, you see me? Yeah man, so I saw come back. The way here guys is much more better than the Eletap Elevator way, you see me? This more effective, because I don't know, so the Elevator Eletap way, no, most of the heat are waste. And the way you know I said before, seeing like the oven, the trap in a container and a vessel, you see me, and put it inside there, so it be much faster, you see me? Yeah man. So all over jerk pan can do it this way when I bake them pudding, tomato, or whatever they want to bake. I just because now this ain't if you know you do, if you watch it, because if you know you do, it burn, because and the oven was something I control the heat or regulate the heat. This not that, you have to do it manually. But just take out the coal, take out some. If you want turn it down, or you add more coal if you want to turn it up. You see me? Yeah man. So what's going on guys? You see it's just them a farmer now. Yeah man. But they eat wicked in it. So get this first turn. And this too. Load him back down. Yeah man, yeah, so we're going to kind of look. I'll get the next turn. You know, and this too. This no roasted. It's not take a time for it because you don't know, so I'm not really roasting before like that. Or you can just put Don't so like so. Yeah, because I take a time for us. Yeah man, and see what I go on here. Yeah man. Take a good look at it guys. Yeah man. So you want to soak. You see middle wet. Yeah man, so you want to soak. But first I put some more cold night. That's for do. Yeah, put some more cold night. So middle can get soak and middle wet. Alright guys, so this finish now. You know. Try bedfruit. Bedfruit finish too. I don't know. This finish the right time. Yeah, my chicken finish the right time when dinner finish. So I taste it again. I don't know. Soft and nice, you know. But I give it a little bit more time because the knife a bit wet. Same way. So I got you know guys. So now I put it on the grill just to get the color. You see me because as you see it's a bit white and it was expected because I don't know the banana leaf. Yeah. So put it on the grill to get the color and them are good. Come on guys, I'm gonna take them off now, you know. Time to take out the chicken and the total. I know total a little bit of what name? Caramel. Yeah man. I'm gonna take it out and shell long dinner now. I'm gonna show you what I go on now. Yeah man guys, so this is it. So fried chicken, beef and chicken I'm roasting the banana leaf. Yeah man. I can stay up on the fire and catch more color, but I go with it like this and I'm gonna also I base it. Make a sauce and base it so you catch color more fast and nice. And nice, I feel like the barbecue sauce with some pepper and ketchup and some more things nice. Yeah man. Yeah, but I'm good with it like this. You see me, so I time to taste it. So see it here. You can taste all the spice them. The onion, garlic, everything. Nice man. But see a person who don't like if tasting kind of flavor there, maybe they would enjoy it. With the garlic, onion scale and thyme and thing like But I'm not tasting the barbecue sauce maybe because I never much. So guys, I'll show you the food here now. Thanks for it again. Remember, give it a like, share the video if you know about my videos and nobody channel and everything there. See me, you comment down below for the IG. So catch you up in the next video. Look more.